Can I pay someone with a Capital One credit card? Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I pay someone with a Capital One credit card? The answer is yes, you can. In fact, there are a few different ways to do it. Method 1, cash advance. One way to pay someone with a Capital One credit card is to get a cash advance. This is a short-term loan that you can use to withdraw cash from your credit card account. You can do this at an ATM or at a bank. Method 2, check. Another way to pay someone with a Capital One credit card is to write them a check. You can do this by going to your online banking account and printing out a check. Method 3, money transfer. You can also use a money transfer service to pay someone with a Capital One credit card. There are a number of different money transfer services available, such as Venmo, PayPal, and Zelle. Method 4, gift card. You can also buy a gift card and give it to the person you want to pay. This is a good option if the person you want to pay doesn't have a bank account or credit card. Important considerations. Before you pay someone with a Capital One credit card, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Fees. Some methods of payment, such as cash advances and money transfers, may have fees associated with them. Be sure to check with your credit card company and the money transfer service for more information. Interest. If you use a cash advance or a money transfer service, you will be charged interest on the amount you borrowed. This interest can add up quickly, so be sure to pay off your balance as soon as possible. Security. When using a money transfer service, be sure to use a secure service that has a good reputation. You should also avoid giving out your personal information, such as your social security number or bank account number, to anyone. In conclusion, yes, you can pay someone with a Capital One credit card. There are a few different ways to do it, but it is important to be aware of the fees and interest that may be associated with some methods of payment. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.